Stop it, Simba.
Some manufacturers can't get over 150 miles for the range. Yeah. That's why our battery technology is so far ahead. So that allows us to have that, like, get that rebate, I guess.
Yep.
All right, so I'll let you guys get into this.
I think all of them 20s, yeah. All of them 20s. Yeah, that red one. The same one next to you. Bro, the way the handles on this one come out is so wavy, bro. So I think when you got the key right, this whole handle just comes out. Yeah, you about to be an athlete, boy. You about to be getting them NFL checks, man. You better be riding something like this.
A lot of people honestly don't want sunroofs anymore, A, but B, we design our cars to be the most aerodynamic as possible. So every little curve, every little aspect on this car is to increase the aerodynamic, the drag on this car.
Right.
So as soon as we can get the lowest drag coefficient, these are some of the lowest drag coefficients. It allows the air to go over it smoothly, and you actually are able to get more range out of your battery.
With the glass.
Yeah, with the glass being
completely all the way through. Oh, but it's still panoramic view though. Okay. Pop the trunk. I want to show them the space real quick. So y'all seen the space in that Model X. Look at this. This is literally almost the same amount of space. You can still open these up. You got your little charger kit there. You still got room here on this one. And then obviously the front as well, because there's no engine or anything. You still got the room in the front too. So a little touch button close. And then here's the front he was showing me. Yeah, that's pretty deep too, bro. That's a nice amount of room. There's the front. Wow, this is so nice, bro. My man over here, we was talking to his mom. He just turned 18. He's reviewing that. He was reviewing the S dual motor 2020. Yeah, these are clean, bro. There go my thumbnail. That's a little better right there. Quick little thumbnail. I gotta get my thumbnail for the Model X real quick. I should get the flag in. I actually like the flag in it better. Yeah, that's a lot better. There we go. That's better. Boom. Good to go. Let's hop in this whip and get this review done. I got my camera. My other battery actually only has 7%, so we're gonna rock out with the 12%. I'm gonna throw the 7 in there, and whenever it die, it die. Yeah. It should. It better all this other stuff. So we in the Model Y now. This pretty much fire space though versus the X. What you think?
That actually has more space for sure.
A little bit of space, right?
But this feels like a car.
Yeah.
Lifted. It's really what it feels like.
SUV type.
It's a crossover. Yeah. It's what it is. Ready?
When it comes to it, you gotta drive it obviously.
Yeah.
But all right, go ahead. I want to see this little backup. This one got a better setup. Like when you do that, when you put it in reverse, that automatically come up like that. That's crazy.
How I can see him so clear is crazy.
Yeah, that's where I'm losing my mind at, like how the quality of the cameras actually look, bro.
I can tell you if he got freckles on his face or not.
Come on, little baby Tyler, put on your seatbelt, man.
No, I'm turning into a Tyler.
You put as a Tyler, yo.
to see this. This is what I'm curious to see. Okay.
Oh, can you open this up, make it bigger, maybe?
Nah, I don't think so.
No, probably can't. PSI. Oh, it's just a split screen type.
Yeah, because this would have been here. I actually don't mind that. Still shows me my cars. Still shows me my cones.
Oh, yup, it do.
I actually don't mind this.
Cause you just looking to the right just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
This one don't got this one got. Oh, yup. Oh, that's the key, right?
Yeah, that's the key. I don't know if you take that thing off.
I mean, we in it now. Oh, you don't scare me like that, bro. So that's the
whole
key.
car shut down.
That's hot. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. They getting crazy with the tech, bro.
Yo, it told you to chill out. The whole console is janky.
Yo, come on, bro.
It gotta stop.
You ain't gotta do all that.
Look, it showed you the other lights over here too. I didn't peek that.
Oh, in the other lane.
On the other lanes.
Man, I might have to go get me a cheap Model 3. Go use joint. Cause it really don't matter how many miles on it, right?
It don't matter how many miles. It says 500,000 miles before
any problem, right?
Before the battery starts to die.
Yeah, I need one.
You don't have to change your brakes for 8 years. Never an oil change.
That's crazy.
You're never going back to double time.
Never going back to double time. Yeah, nah, this is nice, bro.
I should have went.
Yeah, you should have went that way. It's all good. Just bust a left where that Wegman's at. You'll come out down there still. Oh, yo, son. That should be shocking you back there like that. I think it's just the front might be a little bit.
A little bit. Fuck, yo, honestly.
Probably.
Without question, fuck Mercedes. I won't. After the day we went there, bro, they didn't even fucking try to sell some cars.
Oh yeah, they didn't. They dogged. Cars is just coming up. So it's a car to the left, car to the right, right? Car in front of us, and then it shows that big truck. That's crazy how accurate it is, bro. Like the height and everything of the car. Yeah, I like this, bro. This like mad laid back, calm, cool.
Chill.
Yo, son need to wash his car badly. Jeez.
Shit crazy.
It is.
Quiet.
I'm rocking with this, bro. Like genuinely, like this. How does steering wheel feel?
Honestly, like it's you can tell it's quality.
Oh, okay.
It
ain't like plastic because it kind of looked plasticky. I ain't gonna hold you.
Quality.
Oh, okay.
And it allows me to grip my
Oh my God! Oh hell no! We got. Yo, swear to God, I almost broke my neck. Nah, we gotta park this shit right now. No way.
That shit allow you to grip when you.
Damn, that shit was stupid. I didn't know this one had that much power.
This
the performance one?
No.
Oh, nah, hell nah. Park this shit, nephew.
Yo. I'm trying to tell you this.
Yo, yeah, you ain't hit the get pedal like that before. So we're pretty much back from test driving the Model Y. Overall, I really like the. I didn't drive it, obviously. Only my boy Kenyon drove it, but overall, I really like the ride of it. Really nice car, man. So let me just give y'all a quick look around on everything. So. Nice leather up here. It's definitely got some nice suede in here. Got like a gloss nice panel here. Nothing in here is cheap at all. White stitching. You get the Model Y here. And then as far as the leather goes, everything in here is really nice. This is like really soft leather. It's very comfortable. You get this nice little trim piece up here. Now y'all seen the last video with the Model Y, with the Model X, right? And really the only difference is pretty much this dash setup here. So with the Model X, you get that long screen, which is really nice, and you get a small display screen. You get a small cluster display as well. Now, if it's really that big of a difference for you between like the 30 grand or 40 grand difference, whatever it is, that's pretty much what you're getting, because this is just as fast and minus the doors. So for me, if I was gonna get a brand new one, right, and like I had the money or whatever, I'm definitely going X, because just for the doors and that extra little display setup that's in the front, I'm going with the Model X, just because it's a little nicer. Now this one still just like the Model X, you get the full glass roof. I would say this one has just as much space though, man. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This has just as much space. It's just the back, from the back door to the trunk, isn't as long as the Model X, which really isn't that much big of a difference. Got a little bit of storage in there, and that's pretty deep too. You can put your hand all the way in there. You get, there's a glove box here, but it's with a button. I don't really know how to open it. I can't remember how he did it. Quick controls. Let me see if we can find, oh, glove box right in my face. Boom, then it pops the glove box open. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, overall this car is really nice, and pretty much they're all, I wouldn't even say base model, because they're all pretty much spec'd out the same way. They come with a great sound system already. Here's the back. The only thing I don't like about this is how the doors are. They're a little weird. They kind of got like that Lamborghini handle, like on the Huracan. But like I said, man, as far as everything else goes, it is really nice, really well built quality stuff. Here's another. So you got this here. You can use a little switch to pop it open and close. I believe it has cup holders too, and then it has 2 cup holders right there, right for the middle seat. But yeah, overall it's very spacious. My boy Dan, the athlete, he's pretty big. He sat in the front, and we moved the seat all the way back, and I still have room, as well as the Model X. So I would definitely get one of these, man. And if y'all seen my previous video, I asked him how the material was in the steering wheel. He said that the material was very nice. So you getting your money's worth, man. For 50K, you're getting your money's worth, and you're never gonna have to worry about gas, oil changes, anything else related to gas, far as like putting too many miles on it because you worry about the motor. Like, you don't have to worry about any of that. This guy told me these cars pretty much go 500,000 miles before you gotta worry about a battery. So really nice, man. Very nice. I was very happy with the test drive, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, very happy. And again, y'all know I got Jellycat over there, so to go from driving this every day to get a test driving this, I was like, my mind was blown. So if you plan on getting any Tesla, the Model Y is definitely worth it. The Model X is worth it as well if you can afford it. That's a little bit more money a month. Even a Model 3, man. I haven't been in a Model 3, but this is pretty much, honestly, this is a Model 3 and a Model X put together minus the door. So it's a little crossover, and it literally has the same setup as the Model 3, but you get that nice hatchy look to it. So that's pretty much it. It has the same front end, same lights in the front, same storage in the front. The big difference with this one is it has that self-warming system for the battery in the winter, so that you don't lose as much. What I'm trying to say, so that you don't use as much of your battery in the cold. It doesn't depreciate much of your energy in the winter. So, but that's pretty much it, man. But honestly, man, that's pretty much it, y'all. This drive was definitely amazing, man. I love it. I really do like this car. So if y'all plan on getting one, go, man. Go for it. The order was only like $500 now. They've definitely changed the price on the orders. They're only like $500 to order them now. Depending on your state, you might get a credit. I know New York State has a $2,000 credit right now off the car because of all the energy savings and all that good stuff like that, the gas emissions. So if this is what you want, man, go for it. This is definitely nice. I would personally get a white interior, because he said that the white interiors, they don't, because of the material, they don't bleed, your jeans or anything don't bleed on them. Still, the stains and spills won't affect the leather at all. So but that's pretty much all I got for y'all today, man. Hopefully y'all like these last 2 videos of these reviews on these two on these 2 Teslas. I didn't go in depth review because I'm pretty sure there's 100 different ones, but that's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm out, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day, man. Peace.